Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Wednesday, already halfway through the week. Wednesday, January 23rd of 2019. Here are our morning announcements for today. For our January birthdays, we have a birthday for today for Kavion Bray. So happy birthday, Kavion. I hope you have a great day today. Also, just a reminder for students in Yearbook Club, you have a meeting after school today, so Yearbook Club after school. Our lunch choices for today is chicken fajita bowl, cheeseburger, or Italian sub. And I do have some fourth graders here to go over some things with pause. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we have 3 fourth grade students here to discuss things that we should do for our pause for today.
Listen when other people are talking to you.
Those are great suggestions. Thank you very much. Thank you. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And if you could at this time, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing and have your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, boys and girls. Appreciate that. And boys and girls, just a reminder, make sure you come to school prepared. So make sure your weather-related items, make sure you're wearing those. Hats, gloves, boots, snow pants, and making sure maybe you even have a scarf on hand. It is going to be very cold over the next couple of days, so make sure that you bundle up appropriately. Also at this time, boys and girls, just to make sure that everyone is aware too, is that remember, snow rules do apply. Even though we might have inside recess for the next couple of days, I saw some students at the end of the day starting to pick up snow and throw it around. Make sure the snow stays on the ground, please, at all times. Everyone have a great day. Make some great choices today. It is a shorter week, so let's make today count. Have a great day.